coffee shop collecting sticker season na naman dahil bare months na. Hingi na tayo ng stamp card and order na rin tayo dito sa CBTL ng ating favorite drinks. Exciting itong 2024 limited edition holiday collection like this duffel bag na available in flat white and affogato colors. Look at their classy tumblers din. Pili na kayo between dito sa large brown macchiato travel tumbler or ito namang pastel colored latte travel tumbler nila, and isa din sa mga favorite ko, itong long and sleek brown cappuccino travel tumblers nila. You can also visit our page para sa iba naming vlogs. Anyway, umorder na kami ng aming drinks and pastries, and ang favorite ko palagi ay itong mango ice blended worth 195 pesos if regular and 255 pesos naman kapag large. And itong cream cheese and garlic pull apart na worth 165 pesos. Pero for us to redeem, we need 20 stamps and we still need to order at least 4 holiday drinks, which is itong white chocolate ice blended worth 245 pesos na regular lang ang available size. Pero don't worry kasi hindi madamot ang CBTL sa pagbibigay ng double stamps promo. Katulad ngayong November 1 to 3, 2024, which tinake advantage na agad namin and napuno na ang stamp card ko. Look, pinili kong i-claim itong macchiato travel tumbler nila at talagang nakaka-excite i-open itong box. Ang ganda, di ba? Great food and great drinks and way better sticker collecting mechanics pa. Shout out to CBTL. Good job kayo ngayong taon. Shout out din pala sa mga friends and barkada na nag-help out to complete our collections ng stickers. And that's it, finders. Bye-bye!